never love me. I gave you everything that you needed, always been there when you needed me the most. But now it doesn't seem like you love me, so now I'm gonna be here all alone. I'm sitting in the room, my heart full with pain, my heart shattered down. I want inside to be around. Now I'm laying here to death, taking all my last breath. Now it doesn't really matter if we're still together. Yeah, my heart just now spoken, my heart also broken. All the frustration, depression,